Miss D from Tech with Miss D, and I'm back in Microsoft Teams. Today, I wanted to show you how to get into a meeting or a class time. So, I'm back in my page with all my blocks, my little tiles, and I'm going to click on Miss D's test class. And I'm going to look right in this posts area, and I'm going to see right here that it says class time. And it says just click on the class time button below to come into class. And that's all I'm going to do. I just click on it. And then I click join. And see, now I've got a screen that shows my camera, that it's on, and my microphone that's on. And I click join now. And it's that easy. Now that I've joined, I can move my mouse, and that will give me this little toolbar right here. And on this toolbar, I can turn on my camera or off my camera. I can use this microphone, and that lets me mute myself. So if my teacher says, everybody mute yourself, I press that button. And then if my teacher calls on me and says, Miss D, unmute yourself, I go to my microphone and I unmute myself. And the way that pops up is by moving around my mouse. And then the other thing I can do is on this little speech bubble, if I click it, I can talk to somebody. I can say something that I need to say. So maybe my teacher asked me a question. She asked me, what's 5 times 4? I want everybody to reply in the chat with the answer. So I can just write 20 and press enter, and then my teacher will see that I gave her the answer to the problem. This chat, though, is only to be used for answering your teacher's questions, not for talking to each other or for asking a question. And then the last thing I can do is use this red button right here and hang up. The 4 things that I can do in my meeting are turn my camera on and off, press the mute or unmute if my teacher asks me to, press the speech bubble and answer any question my teacher might ask or ask my teacher a question, and finally the red button which hangs up. So that is how you do a class meeting on Teams. And when you're done, you can just hit your Teams button over here, right on the side menu bar. So again, to get into class, just hit the purple button where your teacher has scheduled a meeting. That's it for now. Join me next time on Tech with Miss D.